welcome to my aesthetic. to my aesthetic na daw. Aesthetic. I don't know how to pronounce it well, guys. It depends on your school. If what's the pronunciation of aesthetic, I don't know. So yeah, I'm so aesthetic, guys, to the point that oh my god, I have to do this super glue to my nails. I know it's not healthy, guys, but it's just for a day. And I really love like doing this to my fingers. It's just this finger, guys. Finger! I love doing things like this. I don't know why. I love this. Eat your food, puppy. Oo, Pakpaan ka naman karon. Gutom ka bala nag-diet siya, guys, bilog na adlaw. Kay gutom siya guro eh. Pagtas sa kay hindi siya mag-upo. Hindi siya kaupo, hindi siya man nakapagpatambayon sa living room kay basta magpupo sa to. Okay, and then this. Fuck. Yahoo! I got it. Yay! I love it. I feel like amazing. Kaya bala guys, I'm so happy to be alone and with just my dog. I don't know why. I love the peacefulness. That's it. Make it dry and then close your super glue. This is super strong, no? Just let it dry. That's it. It's just my aesthetic kaartihan, guys, in life. That I just have to maintain it and be pretty. Guys, I'm selling this iPad for 2,000 pesos. If you'd like it, just PM me. And I'm selling this Pure Love earrings for like 150 pesos. PM me. I'll be posting and I'll do like ukay like online selling today, guys. Right now, like literally now, I'll do online selling and that's just it with my puppy. And I'll be selling my puppy naman, guys. Because I'm going to Cebu. Char. I don't know kung maalagaan din sila. Bye, guys. Ligo ko kayo na ulanan ko. And so happy. Bye.